The fabric for the hip key has to be right under your hip bone. It's very important to know this, otherwise if it's on your belly it can end up hurting you too much. For this drill, we push the hammock down and then raise the knees to our chest. The movement for this will originate from your hips by turning first towards your left side. Turn all the way till the point the hammock is taking the entire weight of the body and you feel you can let go of your hands. Then raise your right hand, left hand, and then turn your entire body. You're going to go towards your right side now, fabric under your hip bone again. Turn completely and let go of both the hands. From there, everyone, we're going to raise the left hand, right hand, get the hand in the other fabric to support you to swivel back and open both the legs in a clean straddle, yeah? Making sure the back of the knees are completely straight, yeah? We're going to go to the left side and then the right side. You hold the fabric now. Your right leg goes behind the fabric to swivel over and come to the left side completely. Again, let your hands go when you feel the hammock is supporting you. Raise your right hand, left hand, open your legs in a straddle again. Now, you will take your entire body weight on the right side by taking the left leg over to that side. Again, let your hands go when the hammock has taken your entire body weight. Now to come out of it, raise your hands again, open your legs, swivel your hips to come back into a straddle. You want to bend both your knees from there, climb up with your hands and hug your knees to your chest again. Make sure the elbows are completely straight and then come down one leg at a time. Now going into our inverted stag to hip key explanation in slow motion, everyone. We invert to go into a straddle, keeping the back of the knee straight, chest expanded. To come into inverted stag, clip your right leg. Both the fabrics should be behind the right leg and the knee clip should be very strong and secure. Let your hands go, make sure the left leg is straight, everyone. Now, keeping the knee clip strong, climb up with your hands, raising your torso. Yeah, you want to keep climbing up. Now, don't make the mistake of only pulling up to try to come into the hip key. No, you pull up with your hands and push with your legs at the same time. It's a simultaneous motion. You basically want to slide the fabric. Then let your left hand go to find a moment of balance. If you feel you don't have the grip strength for this, you can avoid this and keep holding with both your hands. Now, from there, I open the left leg deliberately to kick over to come into a hip key by turning my entire body towards the fabric. Again, fabric is right under the hip bone. From there, bend both your knees and stretch as a variation. Again, grab both strands of the fabric, raise the torso, bend your right leg and come back into a inverted stag. Again, knee clip is strong, left leg is straight. Now, both hands on the left side of the fabric, release the right leg and come out of it to face front. Good job, everyone. You've done really well.